Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and in today's video I want to show you guys how I achieved this bronzy, sultry, sexy, fall inspired makeup routine. So if you guys want to see the products and steps that I follow to achieve this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel because I give the girls all of the goodies over here, okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know the hair is loading, okay? The hair is loading, so do not mind her for now because y'all see she popped out and did her big one at the end, okay? And also, I will have links to all of the products used and mentioned in today's video down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you guys shop through my links, and let's go ahead and get started. So here is my face. I went ahead and briefly filled in my brows to get started with, but I did my morning skincare routine. If you guys want more details about that, go ahead and check it out up here. But we're gonna jump straight into primer. For primer today, I'm using my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum. Y'all, most of these products are going to be new too. I should have prefaced the video by saying that. But I literally haven't really tried Danessa Myricks products because I wasn't aware if they were non-comedogenic. But if you guys watch my vlogs, you guys saw that I joined one of her master classes about 2 weeks ago, and I learned so much about her product. And one thing I did learn is that her products are formulated safe for acne-prone skin, which is your girl. And I was like, let me go ahead and place my order. So most of the products you guys are going to see in this video are new in my makeup routine, new to the makeup market, and also Danessa Myricks. Because I'm literally obsessed, you guys. I'm like, why did I not try her products sooner? Like, what was I waiting on? But I'm happy that I now understand that they are safe for my skin versus me spending all this money and then breaking out, because I have super sensitive skin. So if you are a girly who has sensitive skin too, if you've wanted to try Danessa Myricks products, I'm here to let y'all know. 1, they work, and 2, they are safe for sensitive skin. So I went ahead and applied this balm serum all over my face. This stuff is a little intimidating at first because it feels like super oily. So you're probably like, how is the purpose of this balm to soak up my sweat and oils throughout the day and it's oily? But I'm telling you, I'll put it on, let it set for a little bit, and then move on. So next up, I'm gonna go in with this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum. This stuff right here, I'm telling y'all right now, first of all, it says do not shake, just tap bottom. Tap here. But this stuff is so good. You don't need a lot of it, so this will last you a good amount of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start off with 4 drops. So one thing I learned at Danessa Myricks class, which I already kind of did, is that you start off with less and then you add more, because you can add but you can't subtract, right? So I take that and I apply this only to my T-zone area, because this is the area that usually gets oily throughout the day. And even with those 4 little drops that we just did, because I know we're so used to just putting on a whole bunch of products, slapping it on, layering it on, but with this serum you don't need a lot. Like, I'm telling y'all right now, you do not need a lot. So go in with a little bit in the areas where you feel like you need more oil control throughout the day. I'm gonna just tap the extra on my smile lines and let that dry down. For foundation today, I'm using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation in the shade 11. And I just got this brush from Danessa Myricks. I'm gonna try it out today so we can see how it works with applying our foundation. This is the Danessa Myricks, I think the Kabuki 2.0 brush. Love this brush so much. It comes with a stand, so it could sit on your vanity or wherever. And the holder is just, it just feels so comfortable holding this. Shake my foundation. I'm gonna start off with 2 pumps. Pick it up with my brush. Ooh. I think you're supposed to work in swiping motions with this brush. Like press and swipe. I think I like pressing more than swiping with this brush. We got some nice coverage. I'm not mad at it at all. We got some nice coverage using that brush for our foundation, so I'm not mad at it at all. Next, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna let this sit down for a while as I contour my face. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer in the shade 12. I picked this up yesterday from the makeup show, so this is my first time using it on my face, y'all. This is my first time using it in this with y'all. This is real special, okay? I just know the face is gonna eat today. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this here. I'm a little nervous because it does look a little bit more yellow than I remember it looking yesterday, but we're gonna just keep going and see how things turn out. So to contour, I'm gonna use my Tower 28 contour. This is their Sculptino in the shade Simon, and literally I have hit pan on this. Y'all see that? I have hit pan. But I still have some on the perimeter, so she's not done yet. She still has business to handle in this household. And to apply my contour, I'm using this Canvas New York brush. Love this brush, dual-sided. I use this side to apply my contour. And then I go in with the smaller brush to contour my nose. And then I'm going in with the clean brush to blend it out. And when I blend, I'm literally just like pressing it in. I'm not moving it. I'm just pressing it into the areas where we applied it. Now we're gonna blend in the concealer. I'm using this makeup sponge and I'm just gonna press that concealer in. Okay, she's nice and creamy. I'm not mad at it. So now that everything is blended, all of our cream products, we're gonna set. So to set, I'm using this new Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm. This is her mattifying setting spray and it has up to light technology, which is literally in all of her products, and it helps to absorb the oils and the sweat that we produce on our skin throughout the day. So I'm gonna shake this up, and this stuff is so good, y'all. I started with the travel size and I went ahead and I already got the full size because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just have to secure this before the girls sell it out. So you can use this spray in several ways. The way I like to use it, or the way I've been using it, is I've been using it in the areas where I would apply my setting powder and then apply a little bit of setting powder on top of it. But you can literally use this spray as a substitute of your setting powder. You can use it to set your face all over once you're done, but I really concentrate this in the areas where I would put setting powder. Shake her up. And honestly, you guys, spray far from your face and you don't need a lot of this. That's it. That is it. And we're gonna watch the face transform. Danessa encourages you to go from a little to a lot to all of the product, like builds it up. So this is what one layer of the spray is giving. I'm gonna go in with one more layer just to be safe. I don't know if it's showing off on camera, but literally my face is blurred. But I feel like it continues to blur throughout a period of time, like not just when it dries down. That's the final look. So we're gonna continue our makeup and then y'all will see the at the end. I'm gonna go in with my powder contour. This is from Sephora collection in the shade Ibiza. This shade and this product is currently like discontinued. They revamped it, so I'll link the newer version of it. But y'all, Sephora just be out here changing things, and I'm like, girl, nobody asked for that. Nobody asked for that. But this is gonna give us like a nice bronzy snatched look. I love this stuff so much. I love a good powder bronzer. Oh, another product that is my first time using. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Off the Grid. This is, I believe, her low light. Yeah. I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is gonna go crazy for a nice bronzy look in the fall season. So I'm picking her up. What brush is this? This is my BK Beauty 116 brush. I'm gonna pick her up and I'm gonna place her on my cheek. Oh my God, that's beautiful. I'm gonna place her on my cheeks above my contour and bronzer. It gives like a nice natural glow. Love that. I've never tried a low lighter before. I usually do highlighter, but baby, this on the cheeks. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of my powder bronzer on my eyelids to give us a nice bronzy look on the eyes, and also to help set any cream product that is on our eyelids. And as I mentioned with the setting spray, you can either use it as a substitute of your setting powder, or you can go in with setting powder underneath or on top of it. I'm going in with a little bit of my One Size setting powder in the shade Marigold on top of that setting spray, because girl, it's 90 degrees here in Houston, Texas, and I'm about to go outside. And I also have never tried the setting powder on its own, so I was like, let me just put a little bit of the setting powder on top of it. I feel like this is gonna give us, you know, a little extra security. A little extra security never hurt nobody. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray, because I'm about to go to church and I know I'm about to cry. So I just need a little extra backup, just a little bit. Yeah. Your lip combo will literally set off any makeup look, okay? But specifically in the fall, I love me a good fall lip combo, and I'm gonna do a whole video for you guys about like my favorite fall lip. But for now, I got y'all with a fire lip combo. So we're starting off with this Maybelline Lifter Liner lip liner in the shade 01 Cross the Line. This lip liner, y'all, I'm telling y'all, you could drink coffee, you could eat a meal, and the lip liner will still be on. It will still be on. I'm telling y'all. So yeah, her and I are having our way this fall season. And then I'm following up with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Spiked Toffee. Just watch this. Just watch this. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, bronzy, sultry. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. This is the YSL Lash Clash mascara, literally my fave. My fave. I'm gonna do one eye so y'all can see the difference. So here's the final look. I told y'all the hair was loading, okay? I told y'all that the hair was loading, so I hope y'all believe me. But here's the final look. I'm literally obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me slay my face using some new makeup products. All of these products, as I mentioned, are linked down below in my description box. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you guys took at least a one tip or one product recommendation away from this video. Let me hear it down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys currently use any of these products or plan to pick any of these products up. Let your girl know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.